Geography shapes our world, especially in tourism. Let's explore India's stunning physical feature. India, a land of diverse landscape, from the towering Himalayas to the serene beaches, offer a unique travel experience. The Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plains, and the ancient peninsular plateau define our geography. With coastline of 5,700 kilometers, India's beaches are pristine, invite travelers to connect with nature. Our rivers like the Ganga and Godavari create vibrant ecosystem and support local culture. Understanding these features is key to sustainable tourism, ensuring we enjoy and preserve India's beauty. India's forests are treasure trove of biodiversity, ranging from arid xerophytes to lush evergreen mesophytes, with around 47,000 plant species, including 15,000 flowering ones. India ranked 10th globally in plant diversity. From the majestic conifers of the Himalayas to the vibrant deciduous forests, our flora is rich and vibrant. Timber from these forests support commercial construction. Tendu and Mahua support local economies, while aromatic trees like sandwood add our heritage. India, a treasure trove of fauna boasting around 63,760 insect species, 2,000 birds, and 500 mammals. From stunning butterflies in the east to massive locusts in the west, our insects are a marvel. With 695 reptile species, including cobra and python, India is a herpetologist's paradise. Bird watchers rejoice. Over 2,000 bird species call India home, from flamingo to majestic eagles. Our mammals range from the iconic tiger to the elusive red panda, showcasing incredible diversity. And let's not forget our aquatic life. With dolphins, majestic blue whale, and the sea cow dugong swimming in our water. In a world where technology meets the nature, we must ask ourselves, how do we interact with our environment? It's not just about what we create, but the tools we use to create it. From understanding friction to mastering aerodynamics, our knowledge of nature shapes our technology, but we moved from beginning at the mercy of nature to humanizing it. Yes, that this journey has come at cost. Our rich wildlife and forests are dwindling. Once a paradise, India now faces the consequence of exploitation and neglect. We must remember conservation is not just duty, it's a necessity for our future. Let's protect our natural heritage for the sake of generation to come. Thank you so much.